Good morning, students. Welcome to today's video. Today's video will be an introduction to differentiation of A level. Clear? In AS level, what did you learn? D by dx of x power n you have learned, as the formula is n into x power n minus 1. This is what you have learned in AS level. Now extension to it. What you will be learning in A level is differentiating the internal part you will be learning here now. What I mean by internal part, you see here. D by dx of x, how much do you get? 1. D by dx of x square, how much do you get? By applying this formula, you get 2x. As in AS level, we have already done all this. Now if it is d by dx of x cube, how much do you get? 3x square. Clear? And what did you learn in AS level was this one. Had it been the entire expression has got the power, then what we used to do? We used to take this entire thing to be x. So d by dx of x cube used to be 3x square. So 3 into x square plus 2 power 2 into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have considered. So this results in x square plus 2 into 2x. Am I clear? This internal part is what am I trying to tell you in today's video. Over here now, if d by dx applied on y, it cannot be simplified, so it remains like dy by dx only. Clear? Now if it is d by dx applied on y square, then what do you get? Same as you used to do earlier, now also the same thing. In place of x, you assume it to be y. So now it is of the form x square. What is x square differentiation? 2x. So here 2y into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you considered, that should be kept. So it cannot be simplified further. This internal part is what am I trying to tell you here. If it is d by dx of y power 4, I will assume it to be x. So now it is of the form x power 4. My answer is 4x cube generally, but here in place of x I have got y, so 4y cube into d by dx of whatever you have considered in place of x, y. This cannot be simplified further, so leave it like that. Now look at more examples. Now if it is d by dx of y plus 2 or else y square plus 2 whole square, what will be the answer to it? The entire thing you will assume it to be x. So now it is of the form x square. What is x square differentiation? 2x. In place of x you have got y square plus 2 into d by dx of, in place of x, whatever you have assumed. So y square plus 2 in brackets. This gets applied to each of it. So it is 2 into y square plus 2 into d by dx on y square, and when it is applied on 2, result is 0. The catch over here is, what is d by dx of y square? Again it's not directly x square differentiation. In place of x, again you have got y. So x square differentiation is 2x, so in place of x you have y. Again internal. So d by dx of, in place of x, what is there? Y. This cannot be simplified, so this is your final answer. In A level, internal part differentiation plays a important role. Let us look at next sum. if it is d by dx on x plus 2 whole square, what do you get? You assume it to be x. So it is of x square differentiation is 2x. So it is 2 into x plus 2. In place of x, something you assumed, that should be written at last over here. So which will become 2 times of x plus 2 into this gets applied on this and also on this. Dx by dx is 1, on 2 if you apply it is 0. So this is the answer. I want you to understand this difference. If the same thing with some other letter y, then what do you get? Again you will assume it to be x. So now it is of the form x square. So 2x is the differentiation. In place of x, y plus 2 into, you have assumed something in place of x, so at last differentiation of that must be kept. Clear enough? So it is 2 into y plus 2 into, this gets applied on y and also on 2. As in case of x, when it is applied I got 1, but when it is applied on y I don't get 1. I am left with dy by dx, and for 2 anyhow it's 0. No change in that. Am I clear with the difference? If you have understood this one difference, your A level differentiation will be easier. Now look at one more example. Had it been x cube plus 2 whole power 3. Again, you will assume this entire thing to be x. So now it is of the form x cube. Differentiation of x cube is 3x square. So 3 into x cube plus 2 whole square. In place of x, whatever you have assumed, that differentiation should be kept at last. Clear till there? Till here no change. Now next is 3 into x cube plus 2 whole square. This gets applied on x cube and also on 2. When it is applied on x cube, you get 3x square. For 2 it is 0. Clear? Now if the same case, when you have got y instead of x, now again you will assume this to be x. So x cube differentiation is 3x square. So 3 into y cube plus 2x square into d by dx of, in place of x whatever you have assumed, that is y cube plus 2. Now this gets applied to y cube and also to this. The catch is here. D by dx of y cube, how much do you get is what you need to be careful of. For 2 it is 0, so no need to worry much about it. So it is 3 into y cube plus 2 whole square into, again you will assume it to be x. So it is of x cube form is 3x square into d by dx of internal part of y. If there is some other letter other than x, this you cannot be missing. Am I clear? This is the basic difference between AS level and A level. Internal part differentiation is what I am trying to tell you. Let us look at next sum. D by dx of 1 by x square plus 4 is there. You cannot differentiate it directly unless you bring it to the numerator. So it becomes x square plus 4 power minus 1. So again this you will assume it to be x. So what is differentiation of x power minus 1? It is minus 1 into x power minus 1 is minus 2. So it result in minus 1 into, in place of x you have assumed something. So that you need to replace into d by dx of x square plus 4. So now it becomes minus 1 into x square plus 4 power minus 2 into d by dx applied to this and also to this. When it is applied on x square I get 2x. When it is applied on 4 I get 0. So my sum ends over here. But when there is some other letter, assume it to be y. The first step is same. This will go up. So d by dx of y square plus 4 power minus 1. You will assume this entire part to be x. So now it is of the form x power minus 1. So it is minus 1 into y square plus 4 power minus 1 is minus 2 into d by dx of in place of x whatever you have assumed. So it is minus 1 into y square plus 4 power minus 2 into this gets applied to this and also to this one. What is d by dx of y square? This is where the catch or where students go wrong. For 4 it is 0, so no issues with that. I am telling all these examples so that you be careful the next time. Again, this is of the form x. So x square differentiation is 2x, so 2y into this cannot be missed, d by dx of in place of x whatever you have assumed. This cannot be simplified, so leave it like that. This is the only difference between AS level and A level. This thing should not be missed. Am I clear? Thank you.